What is the Power Query and use of the Power Query? For example, I want to import my data from text or CSV file. I click here on this, I select this CSV which is data 1. I select and import this data. While I am importing this data, you can see a preview of my data is here, and this is the pop-up window as usual. We have already know about it, and when you click on this load, this data would be available here in this Excel sheet. But I want to do some manipulation in this particular data. What are the manipulations which I want is, I want to remove the Hindi marks. Do these manipulations before importing this data into the actual Excel. We can perform all these tasks by clicking here on transform data. When you click on this transform data, you will see we are having this pop-up window named as Power Query Editor. It is same as the data files option which we are having here. We have also the same steps calculations here. Definitely here is the data which I have imported through the text file or CSV file. So select this and you need to click on delete or press the delete button from your system. You can see I have deleted my Hindi marks. I have deleted this Hindi column from here. Now in Power Query you can see we are getting these many options. First one which is close, which means when I select this data which you are able to see on this particular screen after deleting the Hindi marks, it will close and load this table into my Excel. But I need to do some other options, like I'm having the next option which is query. In this query you can select the properties which we were having in the data, advanced editor and manage. In manage we can also delete, duplicate and reference, which we are doing by using our keyboard. Next option is managing columns. In managing columns you can add a new column from here and do or write your any value. For example, I click here and choose column, and here you can directly select any of the column. For example, I want only chemistry marks, so you can select OK, and now I'm having the chemistry marks columns also only. So this is how you can remove columns and choose column from these manage columns. Next is reduce rows. Keep row and remove rows. You can also keep the rows by using this option, and you can do the same for the remove rows. So this is how you can play with your columns and rows by using these two options. Sorting, we already know how we can sort the data from A to Z, which means ascending, and Z to A, which is descending order. Split column, I again click here, choose column, I select all the complete data here. Now click OK, and want to split. In this data I am not having my first name and last name, but in future we will see these many options. We will be doing the projects. So this is how you can utilize this your Power Query options, manipulate the data. I simply click closed and load, close and load, and now you can see my data is here in this Excel and without having the Hindi marks column. So this is how you can utilize this Power Query option in the Excel. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.